Hi, my name is Evie and I'm in second grade at North Elementary. Today I'm making Pop's Peanut Butter Munchies.
I'm Bailey and I am in Beal and I am 5th grade and I'm making Empire Biscuits.
Hi, my name is Armani and I'm from Lena Dunn and I'm going to make Kung Fu Chicken.
I'm pretty hungry. I didn't get to eat dinner. So especially it's been a while since I ate.
You can do it then, baby.
It is sticky.
Hi, I am Sophia and I am from North Elementary and I'm in 5th grade. Today I'm making baked chicken ratatouille.
Hi, I'm Lola and today I'm going to be making arepas encanto.
Hi, I'm Hallie. I go to Griffith Elementary and today I'm making teriyaki chicken wraps.
I'm Abby. I'm in 5th grade at Beal. I'm making beignets from Princess and the Frog.
Oh yeah.